Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the part 3 of how to cut and sew a simple short. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The short length is going to be about 14 inches because we are making this short for a 3-year-old. That's the full length. And then we are going to take the width measurement to be 10 inches. And after that, we'll go ahead and take out 3 inches for our elastic band and the ruffles too. And after, we go ahead to join the line. Now, after joining the line, the next measurement you are going to be taking is the waist measurement. Like I said, this is for a 3-year-old. And then the crotch measurement, the waist measurement is 8 inches and the crotch measurement is about 8 inches too. And then we have 2 inches down there. Then we'll go ahead to connect this line. Then we make the crotch curve, and then for the down part, that's the bottom part or the tie, we took 8 inches too, and then we'll go ahead to cut out all the markings. And after cutting it, this is what we have. So we go ahead to join the short just like so. And now we are done joining. The next thing we are going to do is to join down the crotch area here, as you can see, making sure that the lines are in sync with each other. We join it down there just like so. Now we're done joining. The next thing we are going to do is to fold the bottom part, that's the tie. So here we went ahead to make 2 folds, and after that we are going to sew it round. We do the same thing for the 2 sides. Now that we're done with that, the next thing we are going to go ahead to do is to fold the waist part of the short, which is to make the elastic casing and also the ruffle. So we are going to fold it. Remember we marked 3 inches for the ruffles and the elastic. So we're going to go ahead to fold it just like so. So in this case, I'm just going to take it to my table, fold it just like so, and iron it just so I'll be able to have a neat job. And now I'm done folding just like so. As you can see, I folded and ironed it and also went ahead to sew it. So now I'm going to go ahead to mark about 1 inch all around the short. That 1 inch, I'm going to go ahead to sew it round. The upper part is going to be representing our ruffles part. Then the down part is where we are going to be fixing our elastic. Always remember to leave that space for your elastic. Then the elastic we're going to be using is 18 inches. That's 1 inch elastic and the length is 18 inches. Then just like so, we'll go ahead to fix the elastic around the short. And now we're done fixing. We are going to go ahead to join the elastic just like so. And after joining, just like this, we push it in and then cover up that space. And now we're done. This is what it looks like. For me, I like to double stitch. I like to sew on the elastic just to help keep the elastic in place. So I'm going to take it back to my machine to sew it just like so. Now this is the result. And now we're done with that. We'll go ahead and cut the belt, because this short has a belt. So we went on to cut our belt, and then we went on to sew it, leaving that space there just like so. With that space now, you push your belt down and take it out. Now I'm done, and then I went on to iron it, and this is what I have. Then for the belt holder, we went on to cut 5 inches and then width 1.5 inches, and then we are also going ahead to bend it just like so. As you can see, this is how we bend it. And now we're done bending. We'll go ahead to cut it into 2. You can as well do yours 1-1. It's your choice. So with that now, we'll fix the belt holder like so. We'll do the same thing for both sides, only on the sides of the short. And now we're done fixing. This is what we have. So we'll go ahead to fix our belt round. As you can see, our short is almost ready, and there our short is ready. So you can go ahead to tie your belt any which way you so desire to, and this is what we have. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.